Good afternoon po. Ngayon po ay October 26, 2025 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong October 26, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, October 26, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 26, 2025, Sunday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, October 26, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of October 26, 2025, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.